Hi, I'm Erica Balatbag. My ID number is 123709230. And I'll be performing wound dressing today. Here's the 360 of the room. Hi, good morning. How are you?
I'm good.
I'm Erica Balatbag and I'll be your nurse for today. Your doctor has ordered a wound dressing change on you today. Okay. Can you state me your full name and date of birth, please?
My name is Anadel Velas. My birth date is December 10, 1991.
Okay. Can I check your wristband? Okay. The purpose of your wound dressing is to prevent infection and promote wound healing. Okay. Do you feel, how are you now?
I'm good.
Okay. Do you feel any pain?
No, not really right now.
Okay. From 0 to 10, 0 being no pain and 10 is the worst pain. How would you rate your pain?
3 to 4?
Okay, that's good. Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't have any.
Okay. Any allergies to latex that I'll be using or any solutions?
I don't have
Okay.
any allergies.
Did you take your pain medications?
Yeah, before coming here, like 2 hours ago, I did Tylenol.
Okay. I will now perform hand hygiene to prevent the spread of infection and I will close the curtain to provide you some privacy. Okay, here are all my materials. I will now position you in a comfortable position and for me also to work comfortably and to maintain my proper body mechanics. Okay, I have here my blue pads. I will put it under the infected area or rather your affected area. Okay, I have here my bag, disposable bag for my trash. I will now open my dressing kit away from me. The other side too. At this side. Okay, I will now reposition and I will maintain 1 to 2 inches border line. Okay, I have here 2 sets of gauze, 3 each. I will now pour the sterile water on this other side. And for the other side is for me to pat dry. Okay, I will now put gloves and to remove your old gauze. Okay. I will now remove your old gauze. You might feel a slight discomfort while removing it or any pain. Okay. There is minimal purulent discharge noted and there is no odor. I will now discard your old dressing. Okay. I will now assess your wound. Okay. There are stitches. And there is a regular cut. There is minimal redness or erythema. I will now measure your wound using my measuring tool. Okay. Your incision is 10 centimeter in length. And it is located in your right forearm. I will now gently palpate. Do you feel any pain?
No, not really.
Okay, there are no edema. There are no lumps. Noted. I will now remove my gloves and discard. I will now perform hand hygiene. And I will now put my new gloves. Now that I have my new gloves, I will now clean your wound. I will start from the farthest, from top to bottom, and discard. To the closest to me from top to bottom and discard. And to the midline from top to bottom and discard. I will now pat dry. From the farthest to me from top to bottom and discard. Closest to me from top to bottom and discard. and to the midline from top to bottom and discard. Okay? I will now cover your wound. I will now put a new tape where I can write the date and time. Where I can write the date and time of the changing of your dressing. Okay, we are now done. How are you feeling now? Do you feel any pain?
No, I'm good.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you for your cooperation. I will now remove the blue pad, and I will throw everything in the infectious bin. And I will now remove my gloves and do my hand hygiene. And I will now document all the findings that I have. And here's the call bell. And you can call me anytime if you feel any pain or any discomfort. Just call me and we are done. Thank you. I will now position you to your comfortable position. Thank you for your cooperation.
Thank you.